At the SHO Foundation, we believe in the transformative power of education and research to drive meaningful change. Research in the life sciences leads to groundbreaking discoveries that enhance human health and preserve biodiversity.
By investigating the molecular mechanisms of stem cell quiescence and activation, we can have a better understanding of tissue regeneration, diseases, and aging. These are knowledge that is essential for advancing healthcare.
In a world where rising aging populations are burdened with age-related diseases, Professor Tom CHEUNG is dedicated to using advanced technologies to translate biological discoveries into novel therapies that can extend human health span by unlocking the secrets of stem cells.
Aging can be defined as chronological aging, which describes the number of years a person has lived, or biological aging, which describes the physiological and functional decline of body tissues. During aging, our adult stem cells functions decrease, with some aging cells becoming senescent. These cells do not divide and they do not die as well, acting like zombie cells that accumulates in our body, causing cellular damage and contributing to age-related defects.
Using flow cytometry and in situ cellular preservation, Professor CHEUNG's team has pioneered a technique that preserves the quiescence and activation gene and epigenetic signatures of muscle stem cells. Another breakthrough discovery was the identification of CPEB4, an mRNA binding protein that maintains mitochondrial functions in MUSCs and thus stem cell functions.
Our work lays the groundwork to further study the potential of CPB4 as a therapeutic target for various mitochondrial diseases, including the Leaf syndrome. We have developed an AI-driven platform to rapidly screen drug libraries for the treatment of age-related diseases. Ultimately, we aim to develop interventions that preserve tissue functions and combat age-related diseases, thereby extending human health span and promote healthy aging.
The SHO Foundation is proud to have Professor Tom CHEUNG appointed as the SHO Professor of Life Science, and to witness Professor CHEUNG's remarkable scientific breakthroughs, as well as his enduring dedication to addressing worldwide health concerns related to aging.
Together, we fight age-related diseases to extend human health span for our society.